Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 30, 2024 to January 5, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. That's your way to show support to this channel. That really helps the channel to grow. Thank you. Okay, Taurus. What's up? Taurus, what's up for this week? To the sea. Clean it up. I feel like you're letting go or meron kang iiwanan situation. Parang hindi ka na magre-resist dito sa situation na to kasi it is also your way na pagtatanggal ng toxic sa buhay mo. Okay? I see someone here, syempre hindi naman magre-resonate para sa lahat, but meron dito na meron taong umalis sa buhay mo na hindi mo na siya pipigilan na aalis siya. Hahayaan mo na siya. Okay? Hayaan mo na siya sa buhay niya kasi alam mo rin na you did your best to keep this person sa buhay mo, but it seems na kaya siya nangyayari is it's meant to happen na mawala yan sa buhay mo is para mawala rin yung toxic sa buhay mo. Hindi ka na nagre-resist kasi ngayon. So, you are going with the flow. You are also focused on pagpapalakas ng iyong kakayanan para kumita ng pera, para mas maging stable, para maging financially independent. Okay? Yung iba naman, mundane energy siya na you will do general cleaning sa bahay. Syempre, bago matapos ang taon para pagsalubong mo, malinis, fresh ang bahay, tanggal ang dumi, tanggal ang mga nega energies. Okay. Let's see what else. Taurus. Oh, you have the Ten of Swords, the Ace of Cups. I think, Taurus, you are loving yourself more. Okay? At dahil mas mahal mo na yung sarili mo ngayon, maa-attract mo ang mga taong magmamahal talaga sa'yo ng totoo. I feel like you are ending a situation na pinilit mo na i-work out, ayusin, pinilit mong magstay, but it seems that this person is, hindi mo to dine-deserve eh. This can also be a career path or a situation sa buhay mo na pinilit mong maging nandoon sa sitwasyon na yon, but you feel like you've had enough, no? Pagod na, tapos na, tama na. And now you are focusing on loving yourself, taking care of yourself, and you are more open to changes. And definitely the moment na mag-open ka sa mga pagbabago, maraming mga mangyayari na mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo. And I see you expanding your horizon. You are now going to a better direction. You are now seeing new things. You are now experiencing mga bagay na hindi mo na-experience before. It's like a big door. Merong malaking pinto na nagbubukas para sa'yo. I also see you, yung iba gusto mag-travel sa ibang bansa for work, for job, for an opportunity, or for if you want na mag-migrate. So, meron ding opportunity for you there. And for some of you, if you are single, there is a possibility na meron kayong ma-attract na romantic connection. Can be a foreigner or person na malayo sa iyo ngayon, nasa ibang bansa. That will also open opportunities for you to relocate or to move, to migrate to ibang bansa. Okay? So, that's very exciting, Taurus. When it comes to business, kung may business ka, may mga policies kang gagawin sa business mo na pagbabago. And itong pagbabago na to, mag-o-open to ng mga new streams of income. Pwedeng magdadagdag ka ng services or magdadagdag ka ng products. There's also expansion in franchise. Pwedeng may mga branches kang i-open sa iba. I also see you saving more money this time. Mas lalaki ang iyong savings. You will spend time with your loved ones, with your friends, family, yung iba by the beach, merong party together. Yung focus mo ngayon, ito yung magdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. Yes, you will stay in power. Kumbaga, i-maintain mo yung situation mo ngayon na maa-achieve, no? Let's say sa business mo, maganda yung pasok ng income, may maraming customers, yung services mo, maganda yung services na ino-offer mo sa mga customers mo, i-maintain mo yan. Okay? And dahil dyan, you will stay in power. You're also going to work with people na maaasahan. Kumbaga, yung mga staff mo, kung may business ka, maasahan sila, or yung mga kasama mo dito sa negosyo mo, kahit nagsisimula ka pa lang, maasahan mo sila. Can be your family members, loved ones, or whoever na pinagkakatiwalaan mo. And when it comes to your workplace, you will attract people na may parehong interest or goal sa buhay. So, kumbaga, maganda kayong ehemplo, no, example sa isa't isa. You will also focus on meditation, relaxation to bring peace in your life, to bring balance as well. May collaboration talaga rito. So you might be working with a lot of people this week. Dahil pare-pareho kayong may ng goal sa buhay. Money, career, finances. Yung iba magaling kayo sa marketing, sa sales, online selling, promotions, affiliate, no? Kung kayo nasa TikTok, you are going to get more attention, no? So, when it comes to your cash flow, samantalahin yung mga magagandang panahon na you are really getting a lot of income. Kasi syempre, parang roller coaster. May times na medyo mahina ang kita, walang OT, o kaya wala masyadong holiday, kaya walang mga double pay or extra pay. So, yung mga panahon na pwede kang maraming kitain, yun yung talagang exertan mo ng efforts. Sa relationship, so meron ditong kaibigan na merong potential na romantic connection for you if you're single, no? Pwedeng merong kang makikilala, or pwedeng kaibigan mo na to ngayon na mauwi sa isang romantic connection. Uy, friend, be as a good friend to yourself as you are to others. Yes, so yung iba, kung kayo yung tipo na hindi rin ganun karami yung mga kaibigan ninyo, you will also take care of yourself during the times na walang nandyan para sa'yo. You're going to be a friend to yourself, of course. So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Good luck, and see you again.